Welcome to Provisioning Your DXP Stack with Docker. Some key module takeaways include creating a Docker image for different elements of a DXP stack, running multiple containers in the same host server, backing up data and volumes with Docker commands, and provisioning containers for a basic DXP stack. Some exercise prerequisites include having the Java JDK installed to run Liferay DXP, as well as unzip module exercise files in an empty directory. So for this, we'll be using Livingstone Hotels and Resorts as our use case. They've just transitioned their platform to DXP, and they need to understand the pros and cons of running and provisioning their solution on-prem versus in the cloud. SREs and DevOps engineers are familiar with Docker, but they've never used it with Liferay. They also need a system that can host sessions for tens of thousands of users at a single time. Provisioning and deploying your DXP stack KPIs include increasing the number of concurrent sessions on the platform, decreasing page load times, and decreasing platform downtime. You may be wondering, what is a container? Well, a container is lightweight, standalone, executable packages of software that include everything you need to run an application. This includes code, runtime, system tools, system libraries, and config settings. Containers are often compared to virtual machines. However, they have some stark differences, as you can see below. The primary difference is that containers provide a way to virtualize an operating system so that multiple workloads can run on a single instance. With virtual machines, each virtual machine that is running your application will need its own operating system. Docker containers. Container images become containers at runtime when running on Docker Engine. Docker created the industry standard for containers. Docker containers share the machine's OS kernel. It's time for a knowledge check. Containers are lightweight, standalone, executable packages of software. Docker containers share the machine's OS kernel.